There are so many ways a water dispenser can improve your life. Perhaps you want it as a bedside table water dispenser, or for me, I plan to use this while camping for easy water access and as an emergency backup. So let's see what you get. Now, before I get into this video is sponsored, but my opinions are my own. This is the third product from Bear that I've reviewed, and all of their products are exceptional quality. And here's how it comes out of the box. It is a great size. Now, you can use this machine as a tabletop water dispenser. This whole piece simply pops out, and now you just put a glass under it. Or you can stick it directly onto your jug. It does only attach to specific jugs, and then you can have it sit on the jug and dispense directly from that. Now, it's a very simple concept. It has this little adapter in it right now, and you'll want to take this adapter off if you're going to put it into a big bottle, and then you'll just add the tubing directly to this and put it down into the water in the bottle. But if it's tabletop, you'll add the adapter back in. It really does just slide right in, and then you'll just simply add the tubing right onto the adapter, and it's designed to be flush with your table, and it also does have little stickies on it, so it's not going to slide anywhere. And then it has really simple buttons on the front. The first one controls how much water you're dispensing, and the second one is just to turn it on and off. Now, it is battery operated, so you will need to charge it. It's a USB-C port right here, and it comes with a USB-C to USB-A cord, so it's easy to charge. Now, the cord is about 4 feet long, so you do have a fair amount of distance if you want to tuck it around somewhere where the jug can be out of sight. So to have it work, I'll simply put the cup down that I want, and then I choose what I want to fill to. I want a 1/2 liter, and I'll just turn it on. And if for any reason I just want to stop it, I can just hit stop. It can also fill water bottles. So I'll do a 1/2 liter again. And I'll just let it run. And there you go, right at 500 milliliters. Really perfect measurement right there. So nice to see that. When it's running, it does have a very slight buzz that you can hear when I fill up these containers, but it works exactly as I want it to. It's super convenient and really simple to use. There are so many great ways to use this, whether you are using it at an office or a sports event, or the examples I gave before, like camping or at your bedside. What a fantastic water dispenser. Works exactly as you want it to. Really clean, really straightforward, and it's ready when you need it.